video, I will explain to you one of the usages of the particle to. Well, there are quite many usages of this particle. One such usage is under discussion. Particle to connects two nouns. So it could be told that it is equivalent to the word and in English. Let's see an example to understand it better. Ginko no yasumi wa doyobi to nichiyobi desu. I repeat. Ginko no yasumi wa doyobi to nichiyobi desu. Ginko, the meaning for this word is bank. Yasumi means holiday. Doyobi is Saturday. Nichiyobi is Sunday. And the particle to here acts as a connector. So it gains the meaning of the word and. Let's understand the meaning of the sentence now. The bank is on holiday, or we can tell bank is closed on Saturday and Sunday. The bank is closed on Saturday and Sunday. The sentence for it would be Ginko no yasumi wa doyobi to nichiyobi desu. Let's take a look at another example now. Yasumi wa nanyobi desu ka? Yasumi wa nanyobi desu ka? Yasumi means holiday. Nanyobi means what day? Desu ka? It's a question. If I have to tell the meaning of this sentence in English, which days do you have holidays? And my answer for this is Saturday and Sunday. And we are going to use the particle to. So the answer for this question would be doyobi to nichiyobi desu. Yasumi wa nanyobi desu ka? Doyobi to nichiyobi desu. So to is acting here as a particle that is joining these two nouns.